Hi guys, it's Girl with Heart Layna here today, and we're gonna be meeting Hannah Fees, a jewelry maker. When I got there, my first thought was she has a way better crafting space than me because like everything was organized. She even had her own display and stuff for all the jewelry she makes.
So I do anything from necklaces to bracelets to earrings and rings. I make a lot of my stuff from old silverware. These pieces right here are all cut out from forks and stuff like that.
She had all these cool like wooden things, like her desk looked like an antique practically, which made it all the more cool.
But I was thinking it'd be cool if we worked together and made one of my spoon bookmarks. Would you be interested in that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, let's do it.
Hannah herself was even cooler because like she just knew how to do everything and how to explain it all to me. So then she showed me how to make a little spoon bookmark, which was really, really cool because I love to read personally and I always lose my bookmarks, so I really don't have any right now, and it didn't seem confusing. She'd say, I'd ask like, so do you use any glue? And she'd be like, no, because us jewelers take specifically pride in not using glue in our work. And I was like, wow, she can explain a lot better than me.
How'd you come up with your website's name?
My website's name is Spoons and Such. I came up with that because I work a lot with antique silverware. I started experimenting with spoons mostly, and then it ended up being forks. But I wanted to come up with a name that incorporated that. So Spoons and Such.
And so she has these little stamps that are about this big, and they have a letter on the bottom. And so what you do is you put it on top, and then you take the hammer, pound it down, and to make it easier for me, she drew a couple lines with Sharpie on the spoon, so it didn't turn out all like wonky and lopsided. I got to put in like a little quote in it, and I put "back to reality" on it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Is there any advice you wish you had as a kid?
As a kid, I really wish that someone would have told me not to worry so much about what other people think and to just really be myself and not worry so much if friends are judging me or if people are judging me. I think you need to fully just be exactly who you are and be confident in that. Is there any advice that you would give to an adult or a parent?
Relax, stay calm. Like, don't worry about aging so much. You know, you're not old.
Oh, that's nice.
Like, you're fine.
Use more muscle.
It feels so weird.
I know.
Probably the biggest thing I learned is the fact that when you're starting out with something, you're not gonna get it right just the first time. You're gonna have to build up to it. She's come a long way from where she started, and that's something huge that I can take away, because if I ever wanted to start doing jewelry with metals and things like that, I'd have to know that it's going to take me a long time to get to where people are today.
So thanks, Hannah, for showing me around today. And don't forget, guys, make sure you press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.